How to delete watch history on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete your watch history on Instagram. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the profile section, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. Now here, once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the settings section. Now from here, what you can do is you can simply scroll down and there you can just tap on your activity. And now here, once you're inside the activity, simply scroll down and there you can see the option labeled as watch history. So simply tap on it. And now here in this section, you will see all the videos that you have watched recently on Instagram. So here, if you like, you can just tap on select button, which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now from here, you can just select all the videos, and after that you can just tap on remove button at the bottom of the screen. And once you do that, this will remove your watch history from your account and Instagram won't suggest videos based on these videos anymore. And that's it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.